Let's talk about Uber shaving cancellation fees now.
Yeah, I got this bunch of times. Well, 2 weeks ago, Chris, since we didn't do it last week. So look, I mean, I love my audience now. Seriously, we used to get emails that were all garbled. I had to look at each one, figure out what's going on, and now our audience learned that when I send Sergio, by the way, if you guys want to send me stuff, email address is sergio@therideshareguy.com. I literally am up to like close to 2,000 emails a week now. Honestly, I love what I'm doing. I read each one. I respond to each one. It's getting more delayed now because I may need an assistant pretty soon uh, just to read the emails. But long story short, look at this. Look at the way they send it to me now, Chris. How beautiful is this, right?
Oh, yeah,
Hey,
easy.
I mean, easy. All you have to do is look at it. You don't even have to read it. So I've been receiving these emails for a couple of weeks. And I mean, this is just amazing, right? So minimum cancel trip fee before 2/29/2024. First of all, Will, Connor, thank you. Sako, Sako Bimb, thank you. Thank you for the super sticker. Sakar Bimb, sorry, my glasses are shit as usual. So minimum cancel trip fee before 2/29/2024, $491. Driver and Uber takes their cut. And driver received $375, right? I'm like, okay, that was $375 on Uber was our cancellation, and now it's $2 on Lyft, right? Unless it's a scheduled trip. Either Uber lowered the cancel. I'm trying to find that out from Uber, but a couple of my contacts are off. So I'm going like, can we like confirm this? Did you guys lower Uber? Did you lower the cancellation fee? This is not that difficult. Just send me an email saying, yeah, we lowered the cancellation fee on the passenger, because otherwise, this is called cancellation fee shaving now, Uber, just like with the EV shaving, just like with the upfront shaving, just like mileage and trip shaving. And the audience member who's caught this in his city and sent it to me, now it says customer price up top $450. It looks like they lowered it by 41 cents, or did they? And obviously, Uber takes their 25% cut-ish, somewhere in that range, and the cancellation fee is lower now. Now, you guys, mind you, this is after Uber increased the wait time from 5 minutes to 7 minutes, right, Chris? I mean, that's like, all right. And I should actually get paid the whole fee, actually. I don't even know why Uber's taking a cut, but that's not the point. So Uber, we're watching. Again, we're dealing with the 20 cents, and here's another one. This time, rider canceled, and then poor guy went to Uber support, right? And of course, doesn't get anywhere. Here's another one, 332. So willy-nilly, Uber is putting out a cancellation fee out now from 375 to 350 to 348. I mean, I'm not sure, Uber. Again, if we're doing this with 30 cents at a time, you guys remember, we're going to talk about the EV thing. How many millions did that cost you guys? Please stop doing this nonsense. We're going to bust you. We're going to catch you. I mean, our audience is going to catch you, and they're going to send it to me, and we're going to talk about it, and you're going to watch it, and you're going to go, oh, it's a glitch. Come on now. Let's not play the games, okay? So, Uber, let me know if you guys change the fee, and after you're cut, that's why the cancellation fee is low, or you're shaving. One or the other. It's simple answer. Anyway, so please watch out for this. Watch for your cancellation fees, people. If you are seeing this, send it to me, Sergio@therideshareguy.com. The more, the better.
Yep. Yeah, actually, like the EV incentive that we're going to be talking about in a couple of minutes, I sent you that, and then all of a sudden, you're like, I got 20 emails like within what, half hour or something. So it's like once you get the news, it goes.
Yeah, that's a good point, Mike. We're on it, as we're always on things. The tolls situation also, we need to do a segment in the show in the future about that. When Uber sends you guys a trip on period 2, which is you accept the trip, you're on your way to pick up the passenger, Chris, it's not counting in the tolls that you have to go through towards the passenger. It only pays you the tolls with a butt in the back seat. But what about me eating that toll on P2 on my way to the passenger? But we need to do a segment on that. That's for the future. You guys look, man, you guys need to look into every single receipt. I mean, I know it's a pain in the ass. I know it shouldn't be like that. But hey, To you, maybe 30 cents, it doesn't matter, but 30 cents times 2 billion trips is hundreds of millions of dollars. Okay. I mean, anyway, so you guys send it. Sergio at the RideShareGuy.com. If you see this cancellation thing, especially if you're seeing cancellation fees less than $3.75, that's what it should be on Uber after 7 minutes now. If it's not, please send it to me. So there you go.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.